The rise of the business micro influencer is here, and this is why you need to pay attention to it when building your personal brand. So, let's start by discussing what a micro influencer is. First and foremost, you're probably familiar with big time influencers. These are folks who have over a million followers. For my podcast junkies, this is people who have massively successful podcasts, perhaps Andrew Huberman, whose rise really shot up in the last couple of years. He would be like a mega influencer. But micro influencers are folks who have under 100,000 followers. They usually fall in the sweet spot between 10,000 and 100,000 followers, and brands love them. Now, traditionally, it's business to consumer brands that love these micro influencers. They're more friendly to these businesses' budget, and they have a niche and focused audience that businesses can get in touch with through the endorsement and credibility of that micro influencer. In fact, research shows now that influencers are more preferable than celebrities when it comes to trustworthiness of brand endorsements. Now, again, you might say, this is all old knowledge. I'm already aware of this. Why are you mentioning it to me? Because we're on LinkedIn. And the use of influencers and creators to push business to business products is here. In fact, just the other week, I had somebody pop in my inbox and say, how much would it cost for you to host a webinar and weave our business services into it? I can tell you, if it hasn't already happened to you, it's going to start happening to you. If you're a subscriber of Justin Welsh's newsletter, you see that he has sponsorship from businesses that sell to business owners, backing the finances of part of his business. So, what do you need to know about this? Number one, the businesses are going to want to work with you because you have a niche and engaged following. So, you need to be hyper focused in who you're reaching out to. Number two, get creative with ways that you can work with business to business businesses to do affiliate or co-creation or content. They're starting to think like this, but if you prepare packages and reach out to them, you can start to monetize your expertise in a new way. And number three, of course, and as always, focus on providing consistent and reliable content on LinkedIn. This is going to be the key to you breaking through that point of 10,000 followers, which is really what companies look for when they're investing in partnerships with creatives. Don't sleep on the rise of the business to business micro influencer. I guarantee you'll start to see more of these income opportunities on LinkedIn. And if you can get ahead of it now, you're going to be in a great spot to monetize it.